Yeah.
There's a black man in a black cat, living in a black neighborhood. He's got an interstate running through his front yard. You know he thinks he's got it so good. There's a woman in the kitchen cleaning up the evening slide. And he looks at her and he says, hey darling, I remember when you could stop or by. Ah, but ain't that America? You and me, ain't that America? Something to see, baby, ain't that America? Home of the free, yeah. Little pink house is there for you and me. Ah, there for you and me. There's a young man in a t-shirt, this to rock and roll station. He's got greasy hair and a greasy smile. He says, Lord, this must be my destination. Well, Mama told me when I was younger, she said, boy, you're gonna be president. And just like everything else, those old great dreams just kinda came and went. Ain't that America? You and me, ain't that America? Something to see, baby, ain't that America? Home of the free, yeah. Little big house is there for you and me. Oh, there for you and me. As long as I remember, the rain's been pouring down. Clouds of mystery falling, confusion on the ground. Good men through the ages, trying to find the sun. And I wonder, still I wonder, who stopped the rain? Well, I went down Virginia, seeking shelter from the storm. Caught up in the fable, I watched the tower grow. 5-year plans and New Deal, wrapped in golden chains. And I wonder, still I wonder, who stopped the rain? Well, there's people and more people. What do they know? No. Go to work in some high rise and vacation down the Gulf of Mexico. Oh yeah. And there's winners and there's losers. That ain't no big deal. 'Cause it's a simple man, baby, pays for thrills, the pills that kill. Ah, but ain't that America? You and me, ain't that America? Something to see, baby, ain't that America? Oh, the free, said for you and me. Thank you, thank you, thank you.